Hi again, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today's game is Risk, which is very similar to the board game Risk, which I love to play, but that game takes way too long for class. So what I do to make this game something we can use in the classroom is I'll come in and draw a landform on the whiteboard and divide that landform into enough regions, exactly enough regions for each student to write their name in one place. And it doesn't contain any English itself, so what I need to do is find some task that the students do to practice English while they play this game. At our school, we teach a new question and answer to that question almost every week. So I'll use this game to review the QA format. The winner needs to ask a question and the loser will answer that question. So how you do it is when you come into the classroom, I'll greet each student, or maybe when I'm taking attendance, I'll call their name. Dustin here, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And then I'll say, thanks, Dustin, come and write your name somewhere on this map in one of the regions. After they've all done it, it will look like this. And then we'll choose someone to go first. So, Dustin, do you want to go first?
Sure.
Okay, Dustin, you need to explain to the kids that Dustin is going to fight with either Sue or Joe. Who do you want to fight with?
Sue.
Okay, Sue. And so what we do is we'll have Dustin and Sue stand up and play paper, scissors, stone, stone, stone. I'm the winner. Sue is the winner, yay. So what happens? Dustin loses and his land becomes Sue's land and Dustin is out of the game, but not so fast, Dustin. You need to ask the class one question and the class will respond.
Okay. What's your favorite color?
Good, everybody, what's your favorite color? And we all say it together, my favorite color is blue. My favorite color is whatever, okay? And thank you, Dustin, you're out of the game. Then we just go to the next student. So maybe beside Dustin is David. David, your turn. Who do you want to fight with? Jim, Betty, or Anna?
I want to fight with Anna.
Okay, so Anna, okay, Anna. Paper, scissors, stone. Stone, stone. Yay,
Oh,
Anna's the
no.
winner. Oh no, David is out. David, I'm sorry. Can you ask the class one question?
Where do you live?
Everybody, I live in Taoyuan. Okay, very good. Thank you. Sorry, David, you're out. Wah, wah. And as you can see, it's not like the real board game Risk where now Anna would have two places. Anna's one region just becomes bigger. It makes the game go much faster, so Anna would eventually lose. Maybe, for example, Betty wins. Anna asks the question, and the land just becomes bigger and bigger. It guarantees that everybody except the one winner has to go one time. So you have every student asking one question, and the class responding to each one of those questions. And the winner, if Betty were the winner every time, then she would become the, whatever, Queen of America, and that's it. So it's just reviewing QA, or you can use it to do something else. I use it for QA review. Thanks.
Here's another variation of Risk that focuses on geography. Depending on your class level would depend on which countries you actually want to use. It's really hard and time consuming to put a lot of countries on there, and you don't want the game to last hours and hours and hours. So to simplify things and so you have a fairly short game, we just have a few countries. So I divide the class into two teams. Blue team, Canada, red team, USA. So on the blue team, we got Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Egypt, UK, Russia, India, Japan, and Australia. On the red team, Carson, what do you got?
New Zealand, Taiwan, China, the Middle East, France, West Africa, and South Africa, Chile, and the USA.
Okay, so what I do is every student will get a chance to attack and defend. So I will, okay, paper, scissors, stone, paper, scissors, stone. Carson's the winner. Each of us has a dice. And Carson, first of all, choose a country that you want to attack from.
Okay, I'll attack from New Zealand.
Okay, so who do you want to attack? What country?
I think I can only attack
Okay,
Australia.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
so
yes.
Australia.
Okay, so the defender, which is me, I win a tie. Okay, so if he wins, if his dice is harder than my dice, Australia gets erased and it gets written in red. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3,
Winner.
5, 3. Okay, I lost. So Australia gets erased. The blue one gets erased.
How do you spell Australia? A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A. There we go.
Okay, so now it's my turn. From Canada, I want to attack the USA.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Boom, 6.
Ooh.
Get out of here, Trudeau.
Okay. So we lost. We're done. Okay, so now
I don't
think
win Canada here. It's just like you didn't win the invasion.
Exactly. So they just stay the same. We don't lose Canada, thank God.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so next student.
I got
Okay.
it. Okay, let's go from China to India.
Okay.
Boom! Super
One.
strong play.
Oh man.
Okay, so India
Poor
is
India.
out. I'll ask my team how to spell India, maybe. Okay, there we go.
Awesome. Okay, from Egypt. We're gonna go into France.
Okay.
Shoo. Boom.
Oh, you got me.
Okay, so we got France. Blue team's got France. And so this game, it can take a while, so I don't play until the whole world is one color. I just usually play until everybody has the chance to have a turn, and then I count how many countries are in blue, how many countries are in red, and that is the winner.
Yeah. Good.